Here we explore Earth ecosystem services. The natural world offers a variety of essential benefits that make life possible. These benefits are known as ecosystem services. For example, nature supplies clean air, fresh water, and nutrient rich soil for growing food. Bees and other pollinators assist plants in reproduction and support our crops, while forests provide timber and fisheries as a source of food. Likewise, there are numerous other services. These services might seem invisible because they occur all around us, quietly supporting our lives. But here is the key point. When we damage ecosystem through pollution, deforestation, overfishing, or climate change, we weaken these essential services. As these services decline, they directly impact our health, food security, and overall well-being. Therefore, understanding and protecting ecosystem service is not just about safeguarding nature, it's about maintaining the system that supports human life. This is an essential task that everyone must take seriously, as the consequences of neglecting are very severe. How ecosystem services affect human? Often we don't notice the benefit nature provides us, like clean air, fertile soil, or forest. How ecosystem services affect human? Often we don't notice the benefit nature provides us, like clean air, fertile soil, or forest, until some things go wrong. And when we ignore these services, problems arise. For example, deforestation can lead to floods and soil erosion, destroying homes and farmland. Air pollution can trigger health crises, making people sick and straining our healthcare systems. Overfishing can create food insecurity, leaving communities without enough protein or livelihood. This is where environmental science plays a crucial role. It helps us measure, restore, and protect these vital services before they fail. By understanding connections between humans and nature, we can make wiser choices, like planting trees, reducing pollution, or managing fisheries sustainability, so that ecosystem services continue to support life, health, and prosperity for everyone. Now about the ecosystem health. Just as doctors check vital signs like temperature, blood pressure, or heart rate to determine whether a person is healthy, scientists use environmental indicators to understand the state of our planet, whether it's healthy or sick. For example, the concentration of carbon dioxide in atmosphere tells us about the health of our climate. Ocean acidity reveals the stability of marine ecosystem and how well oceans can support life. Soil fertility shows whether our land can continue to produce food. Biodiversity levels, the variety of plants, animals, and other organisms indicate whether ecosystems are balanced and resilient. By monitoring these indicators, environmental science gives us a clear picture how the earth is doing, help us detect problem early, and guide us in taking action to protect the planet. Just like a doctor treats a patient before a minor issue becomes a major illness, same is what environmental science tells us, that how we can make our planet the healthy one. Human health is linked to the health of environment. Our well-being is deeply connected to the world and we feel the impact directly when the environment suffer. Consider this. Elevated levels of atmospheric carbon contribute to global warming, leading to extreme weather, heat waves, and health issues. The loss of biodiversity, the disappearance of plants, animals, and other species can trigger ecological collapse and disrupt food systems and natural defenses against diseases. Contaminated water does not just spread illness, it traps communities in cycles of poverty. We are all interconnected, and the health of one affects the health of all. Scientists can predict risks, plan mitigation strategies, and build sustainable and safe society by monitoring these environmental indicators, just as doctors monitor the human body to prevent illness. Environmental scientists monitor the earth to protect both the planet and human health. In short, caring for the environment is not just about protecting nature, it's about protecting ourselves and our future.